going on, YouTube? This is your boy Beowulf, back at it with another video. Now, if you saw the video I posted yesterday, I was talking about little updates about the moving the location of business. We were talking about most of the video, we're talking about jet skis. And how many ladies could I fit on a jet ski? So, like I said in the video, I was going to take a drive up to this one place where I bought my boat at and see they had some deal on last year model ones. So I'm going to go take a look at those, but I want to see if they got the brand new 2018. I did see on Instagram, on Sea Doo, they showed the ship, just today's post on Instagram, that a semi-truck showing, hey, we got the new Sea Doo sending out to dealers. I know on the website they don't say they got them, so I'm going to go there and see if they do got the new 2018 X models. Take a peek at those. Now the big debate, like I talked in the last video, is am I buying one here in Illinois before I leave, or should I wait till I get down to South Carolina and see what kind of deal I can get down there? I'm looking at who can give me the best deal, and as soon as I get out to South Carolina, I'm telling you, day one of being there, I'm going launching in the water as long as the weather's good, and get out in the water and see what it's like. Now the craziest news too, I just found out yesterday, but I didn't talk about the video because I'm behind the videos. I skipped a day, so even though yesterday's video wasn't yesterday, so that's kind of when I'm jumping, so I'm rewinding. So yesterday, our goal is our new store location in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to start opening May 1st. But we were contacted by the property management that runs the area we are, and we'll get a release in where we are going to be in Myrtle Beach in future videos coming up. But somebody else is going to take the spot if we didn't come a month earlier. So literally, we're going to be open. We're closing at the end of this month, the 31st. I think it's the last day of the month, or no, the 30th. It's a Saturday, so we're only open 2 more Saturdays, and then I don't know how late we're going to close on the last Saturday. But the store is going to open beginning of April, and I'm going to I don't leave Illinois until the 11th. So literally when I get there and move in at my house at April 16th, we'll basically already have a store out there, meaning we're already paying for the first month of rent, and we got to start going. And yeah, it's gonna be crazy. I know right now we're obviously called Bursa Farm, but when you move to another state to move your business, it's like you're starting all over again. And I was talking to Real Gucci Gavin. I was like, we gotta change the name, be called something different. Now we don't have we haven't had goats for over a year. I don't think calling it Bursa Farm would be the wisest for our customers, though. We're still keeping the domain name. It'll take you straight to the website no matter what we call each other. I'm not getting any releases of ideas where I'm coming up with changing the name of the business, but we are changing the name of the business. It's the thing that's so crazy, that's I can't believe, is there's so much stuff going on this month and next month that yesterday was my only day I had off for this whole coming week. And I kind of sat there and I got a fair amount of stuff done, but I was just sitting there I'm like, holy cow, there's so much stuff going on. And most people would be freaking out. And actually I'm so excited. That's probably why I'm not stressing out. But there's a lot going on. And then to top it all off is beginning of April, me and Real Gucci Gavin are flying down to Myrtle Beach. We're going to get the keys to the store when we come down there, but we have a concert we're going to in Myrtle Beach to go see Papa Roach. We're having VIP stuff, so we're going to be hanging out with the band and stuff. That'd be cool to put in the video. So we'll be hanging out with Papa Roach. And then literally I fly back, and then 3 days later I have to be out of my house. So trying to get all my furniture sold. So anyways, we're going to look at, who's we? It's me and you guys in YouTube. Gonna go look at jet skis. And I'm not purchasing out today, it's a shopping, figuring out if I want to go with well, there's 2 different X models. One is a 2-seater and one's a 3-seater. And like I said in the past video, it's the new 2008 3-seater X model. That's see, the real one I really want to get is the RXP-X 300, but then you get the RXT-P. I don't know. They're so crazy. RXT-X 300. I think no, RXP now or RXT 300. Whatever. You guys, if you get, I'm totally wrong. But anyways, so the new Oh man, look at that on the cover. Dodge Charger represent the Mopar family, man. Even the police are. So, yeah, so the new 3-person one, the only reason I'm even thinking of it is it has similar to like I talked this in the last video, it's like the Skidoo. It has that line Q, whatever, where you can put someone in the back so they have like a cooler or a fuel jug or like a cargo storage and all this stuff. It has speakers. Now I'll tell you, I'm going out there, woo, ladies, where you at? We're gonna have the cool jet ski. And I'm like, and I know Gucci Gavin, he's like all about the 3-person one because he wants the speakers and stuff. He's like, so it's like maybe both be, I don't know what model Gucci Gavin's getting, but I mean, we have told like four ladies out there when we're going on jet skis and stuff. So I know Gucci Gavin, you're watching. We're both kind of figuring this all out, and so it's kind of trying to figure out, do I go with that because he got some speakers, or go with just a 2-seater and just take all lady with? And like I said in last videos, I just don't want to fall in the water there and like a shark, if I'm in the ocean, a shark eats me, or an alligator in the coastal Carolina waterway. But the other thing I haven't even checked, that's just said in the last video, I was planning to do it, I didn't have enough time to call, is see in South Carolina, like here in Illinois, when you buy a vehicle, you pay taxes on it once and you're done. But then they rip you off on everything else. So in South Carolina, what they do is when you buy like a car, you get taxed every year, and it's by the make and your mileage, whatever, and they go off like almost like a blue book thing, what it's worth, and you have to pay taxes on that every year. So I'm not sure if the personal watercraft are the same way. So you kind of get away of not paying so much if you get the model year that's like a year or two old. So that's what I was thinking. But then I was like, there'll be so much stuff in the waterway of traveling far, and without being there, being, you know, kind of buying something without being in the waterway, to know how many gas stations there are. I know my realtor has told me that he has a watercraft, wave runner, jet ski, and then a boat. And he claims there's a lot of stuff out there. But I mean, I trust him what he's saying. But I mean, I've physically seen it, so I don't know. And I like to go fast, and there's no speed limit, so you're gonna just be sucking fuel like crazy on that thing. And also too, I want to modify it and do stuff to it. So it's like, do I go, no matter what, I want to buy a new one, but do I buy like last year's model and get a better deal, and it means I can do some more money and parts? And there's crazy stuff you can do to these jet skis, like high performance intakes on them, exhaust systems. I don't even know what the heck that thing would sound out like doing that. And there's just other bunch of odds and end things that you can do to make it, like redo the I don't know if they have an ECU, PCM, whatever's in there. You can redo those with it. Definitely you can get the top speed up, but like with jet skis, it's not about like, you know, the 0 to 60 times is crucial, and the top speed, because I want to be going, I don't want anybody out there with a watercraft, personal watercraft, going faster than me. I'm going to be the fastest person out there. You'll be like, oh, there's Beowulf, woo, going fast. The jet ski, you got the ladies in the back too. I'll be like, oh, hang on for your life. Yeah. So, anyways, the other cool news too, I'll put the link at the bottom. No, I'll put the link right here. I'll put the link right here. Real Gucci Gavin, this is breaking news. Real Gucci Gavin finally did a video. He's in the Cayman Islands right now. He was like, his newest video he just finally did. And he claims he hasn't done a video for a month. Gucci Gavin hasn't done a video since January. So it's like going on almost like 2.5, almost 3 months. He hasn't done a video. So finally he did a video. He's in the Cayman Islands, and I don't want to spoil it, just watch the video, but he's going snorkeling. He didn't see Jaws, so, and he's hoping he doesn't see Jaws when he's down there. There's not a lot of great whites out there, but you never know, Man, if you got it, brought a little blood in the water, so we'll see what sharks show up or what. But he's out on the Cayman Islands, and he's out there with my family. So take a look at his channel if you haven't. Take a look. Make sure you guys subscribe to him. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet with me, man, smash it. Join the group. You're part of, like, I don't know, what, the Beowulf clan? You're part of the group. My heritage, I'm 50-50 Norwegian and Swedish. You know what that makes me? Viking. We did genealogy, tracing back my ancestors. That I came from back, I don't know, I had to talk to my mom about this, but it's like thousands of years ago from some Viking settlement village in Sweden. So you know what that makes me? I'm a full-blown Viking. I'm not pretending I'm a Viking. I am a Viking, and that's why I am Beowulf. So that's pretty cool, and I'm excited. There's like so much stuff going on, and I'm glad to have you guys come along and see what's going on, because it is just like intense. And I need to start selling my furniture. I need to start packing boxes, because I am like, I've sold that Corvette cabinet, but I got still I haven't sold any of my furniture yet. And like, I don't know, people in Illinois, they just got no money or something right now to spend even to buy used stuff. So hopefully I get that furniture sold. And right now, like I said, I'm heading to go check out this thing, man. There's like lions and stuff. The Auto Villa. See that? You guys see the lions in the back? That's crazy. Alright, so that's where I'm headed to now. Gonna be turning soon. And I'll film a little in there. We'll see how many people there are. You know, I'm trying to wheel a deal, so like I want to be discreet with the camera. I don't want to be coming there like vlogging in there and then be like, hey, give me a deal, and what do they rip me off? So I'm gonna go in there, be discreet, but I will film a little bit of stuff going in there, and I'll talk way more about it once I get out of the dealership. I'm almost there. I'm like only like 17 minutes away. So
prepare to turn left.
Look at it. Prepare to turn left. So let's fast forward.
12 Petite Lake Road.
Alright, YouTube. Just left the Sea Doo dealer. They're called Nielsen Enterprises.
Now turn left.
Lake Billet, Illinois. And I have to tell you, this is my third time coming to buy something from them. I bought my Sea Doo boat, and I bought my Skidoo snowmobile from there, and I'll tell you, they came through again. So the craziest thing, so this one I want to get, that was the X Model 3-person one, they said they got 15 of those, and they sold them all out at the Chicago Boat Show. That was like a month ago, 2 months ago, sold them all out. Now, you guys seen the thumbnail, I filmed because it was, I came there like right before they closed, like signed a deal, talked, worked out a deal, and got it. But yeah, so I got the yellow model, the yellow color they come in, and the craziest thing, it was I bought the display one. It was the last one they had left. They had nothing else, and the price they came out with was like, the savings was about $4,000 difference in price than what the Sea Doo dealer down in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina actually quoted me before he put it all up in paperwork. He was like $100 less than what he said. So I got the whole thing out the door. Yeah, it's great. Sparta's called me. I don't have time for Sparta. No time for Sparta. So yeah, so a killer. I'm gonna turn the light on in case you guys can't see me. So it was a killer deal that I got on the thing.
To turn left in half a mile. I'm
not gonna tell prices, but I'll tell you they're really good deal. But if you want the yellow X Model 1 2018, they are gone. I got the last one they had, and I think I made the right decision to buy it up here, up north, and then
take the next
bring it down south. So I'm picking that thing up the day I close on my house. I'm gonna go pick up the jet ski. Is what the plan is. So I got a 2-place trailer. Now, Gucci Gavin, you watch the video, you better figure out how you get a jet ski, because right now we got a trailer. You just gotta get the watercraft.
Now, turn left.
Yes, this is gonna be like epic. This is crazy. Big things happening. I told you guys, hit that subscribe button. Big things going on. I got a watercraft. I'm picking it up in a couple weeks, and I have personal watercraft. Sea Doo. Man, this thing is going to be killer, wicked, and I actually kind of glad I got it, because when he told me you couldn't, he said in about 500 mile radius, there wasn't any of these X model ones, or the 3-person one was only one, and then I was like, well, should I get it? It has the speakers, and then I'm like, I don't know. Plus, it's going to be out of the way to go hunt down one on the road trip going down, instead of just having it, and I already got it, and then head back with it. So I got the jet ski. I should have filmed, but like they were like, as soon as I left, they shut the doors and left. I mean, literally, I came out right before they closed. I wish I had more time, I would have filmed, but it's not the day I'm taking delivery, taking it back. So definitely we'll be filming when we go pick it up in a couple weeks. So I'm excited. I got the watercraft. I got a house I'm happy with. I'm getting down there. Now it's just trying to get the Hellcat down south and then packing up the whole move. And it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna be moving to my new house 8 states away with the jet ski in the back too. This is gonna be freaking epic. Oh my God, this is just gonna be intense. It's gonna be so cool. I'm really excited. I'm glad to take you guys along for the ride with this. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's action-packed. And I just bought a jet ski. See you guys later.